In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wise to send payments to clients by following an invoice tutorial. This process is straightforward and designed to make your payment transactions both efficient and secure. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily send payments to clients using Wise. To get started, head over to the Wise homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but if you're all set, log in using your existing credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to decide which states you want to interact with electronically. This step is important because it lets Wise handle any regulations or specific financial considerations related to those particular states. Now that you've settled on the specifics, the next step is to locate and click on the Send button. This is your gateway to initiating the payment process. Before proceeding, make sure that all your information is filled out meticulously. Double-check the details to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're confident everything looks good, you'll click on Add Recipient. Adding your recipient's details is a critical step in this process. Be sure you input accurate recipient information to avoid any mishaps with your payment. With your recipient now added, the next thing you'll want to do is click on See All Options. This provides you with a comprehensive list of how you can transfer funds, allowing you to choose the most efficient and cost-effective method for your needs. After reviewing the payment options, the next step involves clicking on Upload Screenshot or Invoice. This action is essential, especially if you're sending money based on an official document or need for thorough record keeping. Wise makes this part simple by allowing you to upload the necessary documentation right within the portal to keep everything both organized and secure. To upload your invoice or screenshot, click on Upload File. This step is fairly straightforward, but always make sure that the file you are uploading is the correct one. It's wise to review it before uploading, all in the name of accuracy and tracking. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through using Wise to send payments to clients using an invoice tutorial. If you carefully follow each of these steps, you'll find that making payments through Wise is not only easy but also reliable and efficient. If you encounter any issues along the way, remember that Wise provides customer support to assist with any inquiries or trouble you might face. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your payment processes a little smoother. Don't hesitate to check out Wise for all your cross-border payment needs. Happy transferring!